Today we're gonna learn one more type of quick dosa recipe, and this is not any regular type of dosa. This is adai dosa, which is packed with good nutrition as we're gonna add different type of lentils. I will also be using 1 cup of rice. You can use idli rice or regular sona masuri rice. If you don't want to use the regular white rice, you can also use the brown rice, which I have used many times, and trust me, it comes out so crispy and so tasty. Sometimes I also use half a cup of quinoa along with other lentils. So basically, you can make this dosa recipe using whatever type of grains or lentils you want. So let's get started and see how to make adai dosa. So here I have washed and soaked all the lentils, that is brown chana, chana dal, tur dal, urad dal, rice and red chilies in water for about 8 hours. Now I have drained all that water and it is ready for grinding. So I will add a small batch of these lentils into the blender and will blend it into a smooth and medium consistency batter. Adding about half cup of water and will blend it again. Now this adai batter is ready, so we'll transfer this into a large bowl. And similarly, I will prepare this batter in 2 to 3 batches. Now I'm done making the batter. I will add about half a teaspoon of salt and will mix it until the salt is well incorporated. Now if you're in a hurry, you can use this dosa batter immediately. You really don't have to wait till it ferments. Or if you have time, you can let it ferment for about 8 hours, and that type of dosa also tastes good. Today I'm going to make some quick dosas. So onto the hot tawa goes a ladle full of batter, and we'll spread the adai batter in a circular motion like this. Adding about half a teaspoon of oil and wait till the batter dries out completely. Once you see the golden brown spots at the bottom, it means your adai dosa has become nice and crispy. So now flip the dosa . And there you have the delicious and quick adai dosa ready. You can serve it with coconut or tomato onion chutney and enjoy. If you want to make this adai dosa even more tastier, what you can do is just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into a pan, and once the oil is heated, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and you can add some finely chopped onions and some chopped coriander leaves and grated carrots. Just fry for about 30 seconds to 1 minute and then add that mixture into the batter and then pour the dosas. It really tastes wonderful, so you can try that one as well. I hope you like this recipe. If you do let me know your feedback in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. If you want the detailed recipe, log on to my website at www.meghascookingchannel.com. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys with yet another wonderful recipe. Until then, take care. Bye bye.